Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are well, fine, and safe inside your homes. So, now today we are going to start with chapter 7 in civics, that is understanding advertising. I repeat, understanding advertising. So, first of all, what is an advertisement? So, advertisements are there to draw your attention to various products, describing them positively so that we become interested in buying them. So you must have seen many different ads. Why are they being made so interesting, so tempting? Because we are interested in buying them. So advertisements, they're found in many different ways, like print media, electronic media, and as well as in hoardings or in taxis. So advertisements are made in such a way that they describe the product whole positively so that we are interested in buying them. So this is what the purpose of the advertisement is, why it has been made. Advertisement is all about building brands. I repeat, advertisement is all about building brands. At a very basic level, branding means stamping a product with a particularly name of a sign. Products have an associating brand value with which the consumers associate themselves. So products, they have got a brand value. Say for example, any product, like say for example Reebok, if you purchase Reebok shoes, so you must be very proud that yes, you have purchased the shoes of a branded company. So that brand value is associated with that consumer also and with that product also. So this is how consumers associate themselves with the brand. For example, there are many different soaps, but every company has their own name of the soap. Why? Because they have to differentiate their product with other companies' products. So this is what advertisement is. Through advertisements, the company uses visuals and images to create a brand value for their product, such that the products may create an impression in the customer's mind. Say for example, if you are using the Lux soap, so it will leave a very nice, completely fragrance. And in the advertisement of Lux soap, if Aishwarya Rai is using that soap and it has been shown like that, so what is something that they are trying to show? They are trying to show that importance of the soap, that yes, one famous personality is using that soap, so that you are also tempted to use that soap. For example, McDonald's, yeah, I'm loving it. It's the tagline given. McDonald's burger has been shown Horlicks, like आपकी height बढ़ जाएगी if you have the Horlicks or Complan. So this is what, these are all the different advertisements. Now we will study some terms. What is product? It means a thing or a service that has been made for getting it sold in the market. Consumer. This refers to the person for whom the goods or the products have been made and who pays money to buy and use them. Consumer. If I am buying one soap, then I become the consumer of that thing. So I am the consumer. Next is brand. So this refers to a special identification or name that is associated with a product. Such identification is created through the process of advertising. It means there's one brand called there's one brand thing. It is all about the brand. So people like to have different things of different brands. For shoes we have Reebok, for watch we have Titan, Fast Track. So likewise, there are different things for which different brands are already there. To influence, it means this refers to power to change what someone believes or thinks. Like any example, it could be a bat which has been signed by the Virat Kohli. So you are influenced by that. Yes, because I want to purchase that bat. Why? Because that bat has been signed by Virat Kohli. So this is what we mean. Next is lifestyle. So in this chapter, it refers to the people's lives, or which have been identified by the clothes they wear, by the type of shoes, watch, all those things. What place they eat in, how they come, by car, by two-wheeler, or by that. So these are the different things or the patterns which can determine your lifestyle. Next we have is social advertisements. It means these are made by the state or the private agencies that can give a larger message for society. Like here ads are being showed, and nowadays ads are being shown like please wear masks whenever you go out, sanitize your hands, wash your hands. So these are the social advertisements which give message on a large scale for the society. Next we have is branding. So what do you mean by branding? It means stamping a product with a particular name or a sign. Next is manufacturer. He is the one who is associated with the production. It means producing the thing. And the last is advertisement, which means it is a visual and a verbal representation to provide a product among the masses. So this was about the advertisement briefing. We have studied about advertisements and different terms. So that was it for today. I hope you have understood it. Thank you and have a nice day.